Welcome back to Deep Thinker, where we grow mind and heal heart. Did you know that only 3% of the population achieve true success, while the other 97% struggle to get? The difference is not luck or talent, it's their habits. They don't just decide their future. They decide their habits that lead to success. In today's video, we will explore the 7 key habits that set successful people apart from others. If you're ready to transform your habits and your life, keep it watching. The most common habit of successful people is they do what they really love. Successful people choose careers that align with their interests and values, which makes their work enjoyable. For example, Steve Jobs. He was deeply passionate about technology, design, and innovation. This love for what he did drove him to found Apple, a company that revolutionized multiple industries. Jobs once said, "The only way to do great work is to love what you do." Habit 2. Organization. One of the most frequently mentioned habits of successful people is organization. This includes planning, setting priorities, and establishing goals. Successful individuals create to-do lists, maintain calendars, and set long-term and short-term goals. This helps them manage their time efficiently and stay on track. Habit 3. Taking action. While planning is essential, action is what truly counts. Successful people don't just plan, they act, and they act quickly. Even if they don't feel fully ready, they take that first step. This productive approach helps them bring opportunities and turn ideas into reality. Habit 4. Financial discipline. Managing money wisely is a foundation of success. Successful people are disciplined about their finances. They save actively, invest smartly, and make informed decisions about where their money goes. It's not just about earning more, it's about making the most of what you have. They understand that financial security gives them the freedom to take risks and seize opportunities when they arise. Habit 5. Networking. The value of networking cannot be exaggerated. Successful people know the importance of surrounding themselves with like-minded individuals. They exchange ideas, collaborate, and form valuable relationships. According to author Thomas Corley, 79% of wealthy people spend at least 5 hours a month networking, which helps them expand their horizons and opportunities. Habit 6. Continuous improvement. Successful people are always on the lookout for ways to improve themselves. They never settle. Whether it's learning new skills, seeking feedback, or refining their strategies, they are constantly evolving. This habit of continuous improvement ensures they stay ahead than others and always prepared for the next challenge. They believe there is always a way for growth, and they actively pursue it. Habit 7. They focus on what they can control. Successful people don't waste time and worrying about things outside of their control. They focus their energy on what they can influence, such as their actions, attitudes, and responses. This focus helps them remain calm, productive, and successful even in challenging situations. Habit 8. Reading. Successful people are often readers. They don't just read for pleasure, but also to gain knowledge, insights, and perspectives. Successful people read for more than 3 hours every day to stay informed and ahead in their businesses. Reading helps successful people continually learn and grow. They just read a lot. Habit 9. Positive attitude. A positive attitude is both a catalyst and a result of success. Successful people actively practice gratitude and use positive self-talk to keep their mindset focused and optimize. It's not just about staying positive, it's about regularly reminding themselves of the reasons to be grateful. This deepens their sense, helping them stay motivated and keep them toward their goals. Habit 10. Personal care. Taking care of the body and mind is a habit of successful people. They maintain a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and pay attention to personal hygiene. By staying healthy, they ensure that they have the energy and mental clarity needed to achieve their mission. Habit 11. Resilience. The road to success is rarely smooth and setbacks. But what sets successful people apart is their resilience. They view failures as learning opportunities, not as reasons to give up. They adapt quickly, learn from their mistakes, and keep moving. This resilience helps them overcome obstacles and keeps them on track towards their goals, no matter what challenges they face. So that's it. Remember, it's not about deciding your future in a single moment. It's about the small, consistent habits you choose every day that shape your path to success. If you found these information valuable, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content that grows minds and heal heart. Keep building the habits that will lead you to your own success, and we will see you in the next video.